Is XRP set to explode, or is this surge just a quick pump before the dump? XRP's massive price jump has everyone talking, but it's the mysterious moves of crypto's biggest players, the whales, that are raising eyebrows. Stick around because we're diving into the hidden forces behind XRP's breakout and asking the big question: is XRP still undervalued, or have we already missed the boat? Welcome back to Zaki Crypto Update, where we bring you the hottest news, bold opinions, and insider scoops on everything crypto. Today, we're breaking down XRP's recent breakout. This coin has had a wild year, and now it's hitting yearly highs while the rest of the market seems to be cooling off. But is there more than meets the eye with this rally? If you're curious about the big money moves in XRP and what it might mean for the future, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Alright, here's what we're covering in today's video: XRP's stunning rally, the whale accumulation that might be fueling it, and why some experts believe this altcoin is still undervalued. We'll also take a look at the market charts and break down some lesser-known metrics that could signal even more gains for XRP. Trust me, you'll want to stay till the end to see how high XRP could go from here. So, let's get into the facts. Over the past 24 hours, XRP has outshone pretty much every other major cryptocurrency, with a huge 15.3% surge that pushed its price to a yearly high of 80 cents. This is a significant jump, especially considering that most major coins, including Bitcoin, have been experiencing a downtrend in the same time frame. But this isn't just a random price spike. The increase in XRP's value has been supported by strong fundamentals and a shift in sentiment among big-time investors. In a market as volatile as crypto, these kinds of jumps don't happen in isolation. XRP holders seem to be riding a wave of optimism, which could be signaling something much bigger is at play. Alright, let's talk about the whales, those who hold vast amounts of XRP and have the power to sway the market. According to recent data from Sentiment, wallets holding at least 1 million XRP are hoarding up to 45.61 billion XRP tokens. Let that sink in for a moment. Over 45 billion tokens are concentrated in the hands of just a few big players. And it's not just the quantity that's impressive, it's the timing. This is the highest amount held by large wallets since June 2018. So why now? Why are these whales betting big on XRP at this particular moment? Large holders typically invest in assets they believe will increase in value, and when they accumulate at this scale, it's a huge signal to the rest of the market. This level of confidence among whales hints that they see something in XRP's future, perhaps an undervalued potential that the market is only beginning to recognize. Over the past 2 years, these whales and even smaller sharks have been steadily increasing their XRP holdings by 3.44 billion tokens, which is an 8.16% jump. But it's more than just a matter of numbers, it's a signal of strategic change. The recent price rally suggests that this strategy is paying off, with whales seeing a handsome return on their investments. In the last week alone, traders have enjoyed an impressive 46.66% return, suggesting that the timing couldn't have been better. Here's the thing about whales: they play the long game. Unlike retail investors who might sell at the first sign of a dip, whales tend to hold on because they're looking at the big picture. Their accumulation pattern could be an indicator of XRP's future price movements, making this a fascinating moment for anyone considering an entry point in the market. If you're excited by this look into XRP's performance and want to stay updated on where the whales are heading next, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Zaki Crypto Update, and let us know in the comments, are you currently holding XRP, or are you planning to jump in? Your thoughts could be the start of a great discussion in our community. So what do the charts say about XRP's recent rise? Well, we're seeing some very interesting data points. XRP's MVRV long/short difference, a metric that helps us gauge market sentiment and behavior of long-term holders, has jumped from negative 2.7% to positive 1.21%. Now, here's why that matters. When the MVRV shifts from negative to positive, it means that long-term holders are in profit, and they're likely feeling more confident about XRP's prospects. This often leads to reduced selling pressure, which can sustain or even fuel further price increases. For those unfamiliar with this metric, it essentially tells us how much confidence long-term holders have in the asset. When the difference goes positive, it signals that these holders believe the asset has future value and are more likely to hold on, rather than sell. With long-term holders already in the green, they're staying in the game, potentially awaiting even bigger gains. This pattern is building a strong foundation for XRP's price, and if this trend continues, we could see even higher highs in the weeks to come. Let's take a look at another intriguing metric, the network value to transactions, NVT, ratio, which has declined sharply from 136.8 to 44.9 over the past week. If you're wondering what this means, here's a quick breakdown. A lower NVT ratio indicates that the XRP blockchain is seeing higher usage and greater accumulation activity among investors. Essentially, it suggests that people aren't just holding XRP, they're actually using it, which is a sign of real-world utility and adoption. Why does this matter? Because higher usage on the blockchain often correlates with increased demand for the asset. With such active accumulation, it implies that the price of XRP may still be below its true value, making it an attractive buy for those looking to get in before any further gains. Imagine it like this: the XRP network is becoming more active, and more investors are holding rather than selling. This combination of growing utility and strong holder sentiment can drive the price up significantly over time. With all these bullish indicators, let's talk price targets. XRP is currently facing a major resistance level at 85 cents. If it breaks through this level, the next target is 94 cents, which would mark a substantial gain from its current price. What happens if XRP clears 94 cents? Well, that would put us in uncharted territory for this year, and we could be looking at even higher price action, especially if whales continue to accumulate and long-term holders refuse to sell. Crypto markets are notoriously hard to predict, but with everything we're seeing, there's a strong case for a bullish outlook. When you combine whale accumulation, positive MVRV shifts, and an active blockchain, you get a recipe for potential growth that's hard to ignore. Here's the question on everyone's mind: with all this positive movement, is XRP still undervalued, or are we late to the party? There are plenty of opinions here, and they're split. Some analysts argue that with XRP's adoption and Ripple's plans, the current price is still just a fraction of its true potential. They point to the use cases Ripple is building, from cross-border payments to smart contracts, as reasons to believe that XRP has much more room to grow. On the other hand, skeptics argue that XRP's price is already priced in most of its potential. They caution against getting too caught up in the hype, especially in such a volatile market. But the beauty of crypto is that it's driven by both belief and behavior. When you see whales betting big and on-chain data confirming strong accumulation, it's hard to ignore the signs. So, what's the verdict? Is XRP ready to keep climbing, or are we due for a cool-off? Ultimately, it depends on whether the whales keep accumulating and whether the fundamentals continue to support higher prices. For now, XRP seems well positioned to ride this wave of optimism, but as always, it's important to stay informed and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Whether you're already in the game or just watching from the sidelines, there's no denying that XRP is a coin worth keeping an eye on. Its recent performance has defied the broader market, and if these indicators hold, we might be looking at a new chapter for XRP. Thanks for tuning in to Zaki Crypto Update. We're here to bring you the latest insights on the world of crypto, so if you found this breakdown valuable, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Are you bullish on XRP? Do you think the whales are onto something, or are they just creating temporary hype? Let's get the conversation going. And don't forget to check out our other videos for more in-depth analysis on the coins and trends you need to know about.